Good news. Good news. Good. So guys, I made this live to show you that I made my pineapple cucumber juice inspired by Aunty Donna. Yeah, just made it. So refreshing, so tasty, not too sweet. It's the right amount of sugar you're tasting. Real good juice. Yes, guys. So I will be posting that video soon. Yeah, real nice cucumber pineapple juice with just a bit of ginger. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else. Yes, guys. It's very healthy. It's very healthy. So, and it's easy. You can use, you can make it through a blender or you can use a juicer. I made it through a juicer, so you can also make it through a blender. No worries about that. All right, let me share this. Yes, guys, so go ahead and try it. You will love it. I'm just easy drinking my juice. Just easy drinking my juice. Hi Nation. Hi Nation. Happy month, honey. Happy month. I know you guys may be on the Blanca shop, but yeah, I decided to make a video from morning. Hi Jackie. Hi, just driving out to Walmart. Oh, buy something for me. Yes, so I decided to. Remember when we were on the live yesterday, Auntie was giving us some recipe about what to make and stuff. Well, she was talking about juice, and I remember her saying pineapple is sweet, but what she does is use cucumber to get to what I need. Anything you can afford. It's you use cucumber to make the sugar less in the juice. So, and then I said, but I have pineapple and I have cucumber, so let's do this juice. So this is what I am doing. I did this morning. Well, just now I did the juice and said, let me show you guys that I made it. And I'm drinking my cucumber pineapple juice. As she said, the cucumber make it taste less sweet. It's so good, guys. It's so good. All right, Jackie, good. It's so good, the juice, and it's so easy to make, and it's just 3 recipe. It's chicken to bake tomorrow. Of course, go ahead and season while I talk. I soon come off, I'm not staying long because I made the juice already. I just say let me come on the live to show you guys. It's very good, Nation. I was surprised. I don't even taste much pineapple. I don't taste the sweetness, and I use most cucumber than pineapple. So it is awesome. If you're watching your sugar intake, the perfect combination. Cucumber and pineapple, perfect. Or if you have another sweet fruit that you're going to use, always put cucumber with it. Yes, Jackie going shopping, and she not take us with her, but she's gonna buy me something. I tell her to buy me anything, so I'm not that greedy. I'm just, saving her some money. Yeah, you don't taste the pineapple at all. The cucumber is such a powerful fruit. It's very powerful and it's very refreshing. Yeah, because so if I was deciding on and making natural juice for a living or whatever to sell, this is a good combination. I'm telling you, it's everybody would buy it. Everybody, no sweetness whatsoever you're tasting. Just refreshing and really nice. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Really refreshing. True. There's nothing near named anything. Meaning if you plan to use mango, you can make mango and cucumber juice. And I think I have some of those juice recipe on my channel back in the days. Guys, you need to watch my channel. I did so many videos out there going to jerk chicken, so I'm going to get some didn't get. Jackie said I'm going to jerk chicken. Jackie, why you remove it? I was just about to read it. It's not. Delete it. I was reading it. Oh no, sorry Jackie, put it back. I don't know why me Anna touch. Me don't know what me Anna touch. Me Anna touch something that is not right, because I just scrolling up the message and my Anna touch put you on the user on. I don't know why it's again and see but I don't know what happened. Oh God, when you're not used to this or something, I must do the same thing. What's your name? Oh God, let me unignore. I need to ask me a while ago, Same thing. What's your name? Unignore. Yes. So Jackie, type. Let me see if you're on Eden. Yes. Yeah. I must see the same thing. Rose did. Rose was saying, Auntie, please pull the person, because she's not so sure what she did. So the same thing now. Me. These things are for young people, not for older people. Yes, free her up. Yeah, she free up. Look and see if she free up. She free up. I did. It was uneaten by me. Yeah, free her up. And I wanted to read that comment, How me get back that comment? I don't know if I get it back. Put user in timeout, ID user on this time. There's so much thing. Yes, I did free her up. So yeah, as I was saying, sorry Jackie, I am so sorry. Please come back. Tell her if you come back, because let me say me can send her the message again. Let me say me can forward the share. Oh, she's back. She's back. She's going to jerk chicken and do some grocery shopping. Yeah, I wish I could come for some of those jerk chicken. Sound like a nice idea. Yeah. Just be careful out there on the road. Make sure that you're not going champs. You're not going champs, love. I want to go to champs, but I'm scared sometimes of the whole heap of children. Meaning, have you ever been to the National Stadium? Awesome. Awesome stadium. awesome stadium. And see when it's like under the bed and you see when it's like children like school stuff, Lord have mercy, the noise, the everything, the vuvuzela, the drum, everything. It's supposed to be nice later. I would love to go. No, I didn't hide her under the bed. It was a mistake. I'm so sorry. So sorry. I didn't even know these things on YouTube. So you can hide comment, delete comment, put person on timeout. Oh, I'm so sorry. Don't worry, honey. You can also watch it on TV. It's coming on TV later or One Spot Media. If you sign up for it free, you will see it. For Jamaicans, you can log into One Spot Media without have to pay. But if you're away, you have to pay. If you're abroad, you have to pay. Pay to view chance. And it's only TVJ has the right. So now watch TVJ. Sign on to sign on to One Spot Media to get the electrifying. And so everybody watch us, you know. Rabala. Old Mars. Marant Bay High too, but we know Marant Bay High now come up. So Woolmers is my next second choice. That's my daughter's school that she used to attend for 7 years. Me, so you know when your child attend a school, you automatically belongs to that school, right? Yeah. So that's me. Woolmere all the way. Agi Kwagagis. I had that in my house for 7 years. You don't like to watch it on TV. I enjoy it live, and yeah, it's true. It's true. With the whole other persons, and you get the waving at the stadium. Wow, stadium nice. But if you can't go, don't go. Just stay home. Stadium is just maybe a stone throw from me. I'm gonna go. Let's see if I will decide later. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Jackie, what school are you? Which school is Jackie's school? Hi guys, welcome into my live. I just came here to introduce you to my natural juice that I made, that Aunty Donna inspired me to make. Pineapple and cucumber juice. I made that video, so that video will be available shortly. Stets, they're doing so well. Stets doing well, you know? Stets is doing well. Stets, Idel, Immaculate Conception, surprisingly is doing well too. And you have Jago always out there. But Stets doing a lot, these champs. So get your colors and don't be afraid to wave them. I love to watch football live and direct. I love football too. I love watching football. Football is my favorite sports. Football, athletics is those two are my favorite sports. I love them. I don't love cricket. I watch cricket, yes, when West Indies winning. Worse, when they now win, I'm not bother watch it again. Bother watch it again when they now win. Yeah. So I'm going 15 minutes and then end the live because I have other things to do. But yeah, not Immaculate Conception. Yes, girl. They won one race the other night in the first and second, you know. Them all in out front. Wilma is in there standing. I don't know if Wilma's going well past them by now, but they were on top out there because they won some early races. Hi Lola, welcome to my live. Lola, guess what? I didn't do tummy video. I want to do tummy video when I cook in the food. I want to go live. But guess what? Alright, later honey, because I soon finish. I remember yesterday Auntie was talking something on the live about pineapple and cucumber juice. I just made it. So I came on here to show juice. So refreshing, so nice. Yeah, so refreshing and so nice. The African KC boy, I go on with himself. Me say, encrew me. That my break record already. Afternoon, Shireen. Welcome in. That guy break how much in year old record. That guy from the first time, when he ran, know that his greatness is in him, And he came, this champs, maybe because we didn't have COVID and we never have anything. He came and he think there. Are you there or watching it on TV? Because I'm going to be watching it on TV shortly too. Are you there, Shireen? If you are there, tell me and make me come. I'll be there in half an hour or less. Shireen, are you at the stadium? You know, no said that was the question that Tommy asked. I'm a win. Oh, I was late. I came on late. Wow, nice. No, watching it on TV. Okay. What I go on, champs? This is the final day. Everything I go on today. We have relay. You have 100-meter, I guess maybe. You have some electrifying events happening today at champs. Today is the last day. Yeah, champs hot today. Champs is going to be hot today. Shireen just damp my spirits as she watch it on TV. If I was there, girl, I would be there with you. I would come down. But anyway, she watching it on TV. A lot of finals going on. Yeah, a lot of finals. All the finals going on today because it's the final day. Yeah, and they start at one something. That's why I wanted to get this live over on the juice early to go and sit down and enjoy athletics. I'm sorry, but I have to go on the road a bit. Yeah. But tonight is going to be nice. I remember the year when Wilma's win. Oh my God, that was a win. That was a win when Wilma's boys did win. I can't see no action, only people chatting. What you watching, Lola? TVJ? Now one spot. Or are you watching the channel that's not supposed to view the events? What you watching? Cause TV, unless it don't start yet. Maybe it not start yet. Maybe they're starting late. Yeah, man, One Stop Spot Media. Just download the app. You can get it on your phone too. Download the app, create a password, log in, and you're good to go. No money paying. Okay, but Shireen says she's watching Champs, so maybe you're on the wrong station. Because TVJ has the right for Champs. TVJ have the rights for Champs. Yeah. TVJ Live, yes, TVJ Live. Just if you don't have the TV with the station, go on One Spot Media, TVJ Live. That's why you must click on Nation when you download it, and then you'll see the schedule and the lineup, and the live TV will come on. I think They will no, I don't think them a take a break today because them start late. Yeah, they start late. They start lunchtime, so no break. Send her, yeah, Shireen send her the link. But if you go Google or you go to your phone, go in on your phone and just put in one numeral one spots, thing comes up, you know that app. Yeah. Yeah, download it, Lola. And if you're in Jamaica, just create a password and log on. It's free. But if you're away, if you're abroad, you have to pay some money for it. You miss a lot? You miss a lot of what? My video or chops? What you miss, Lola? Because I miss a lot. Okay. Yeah. I've been watching it from its start on and off. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because it started from when it starts, Tuesday or Wednesday. I think it's Tuesday. Start Tuesday. I've been watching it from then. I watched it last night. So when I'm on live, I'm on Champs. So I have to spend my time over different things. That is what I did. She have to download it. That is what I did. Yeah. You want to watch it on TV? Oh, but search for the frequency on your TV. In your area, in my area is 7. I don't know what is yours in your area. Search for it. TVJ. TVJ. TVJ give it live. That's where I watch it. And when I'm on the road, I use One Spot Media. So go on it and download. Go on it and download. Why the pineapple is here and tempting me. Pineapple is so sweet. TVJ on YouTube. Oh yeah, maybe you can search for TVJ on YouTube. They might have the rights and have it over there. Only YouTube you watch on your TV. Just search for it. One Spot Media. And it's one numeral one, not ONE. One spot. TVJ frequency different. Depends on which area you live in, right? So I was saying my area is 7, so I'm not so sure what is nation frequency in her area. Welcome into my life, guys. And what about the emotional one? Tammy look like she's postpone it, and she give us cooking recipe instead. She postpone it and give us cooking recipe. Welcome in. So look, that is on pause. On pause until such time We need to ask her when she come live again. Because she was giving out the rules, you know. She gave out the rules and she said that somebody has sent her in video. Remember? Somebody sent her a video. We don't want to have it already. Saint Elizabeth. Okay. Somebody has sent her the video. Oh, no, park too near this one. Somebody has sent her the video. And sorry guys, I'm distracted. People coming in. Somebody had sent her the video, and she was gonna put up a disclaimer. I don't remember what she said, but I think it's one of the, as she said, long time LTBW sent her a video, and I was even saying that she should have made it different for the younger ones than the persons of than the LTBW persons. Yeah. So we need, when she come back on live, let us ask her what about it, if she cancel it or she not ready yet. I am not going to do that. I can't do that. I'll do the cooking video. I'm not going to do that. Nation, are you going to do that? Nation, I sound like she can do that. And Shereen, you know, Trudy, on if Trudy are going to do it. You never see the video. You did do one video? I didn't see it. You did that video? I didn't see that video. What video? Never see it. What video, Nation? What video you did? Me not see it. What was in that video? Oh, what was in that video? Because if we didn't see that video there, if we didn't see that video, so when I'm going to do that video, Lola, the cooking of the $1,000 meal, I want to do it on live. Hopefully, if not, we just do the video up on our page. She post the video. You're mean, I'll watch it later on. But yeah, that's an awesome live. We learned a lot today on this live. So yes, I learn, you learn, everybody learn. That's what we want. Life that elevates, life that lifts us up, life that comes with information, sharing, life that is motivational. Yeah, those are the lives I want to see. I need to come again. I'm gonna come and do a live next time, and I'm going to go back old time sinting. So guys, come on, we do no old time sinting in this live. When I started old time sinting, all the old time thing we're gonna talk about. Wi-Fi I give problem. My Wi-Fi, no, it not come off since I'm standing here. I'm gonna see it come off since I'm here. Not come off since I'm here. It's fine. Fortunately, normally today I get problem, yes, but it's fine. Yeah. So Lola, Nation, I'm gonna leave you for you go season your meat. Jackie gonna soup Walmart already. I don't know what Lola going to be doing now. So I'm gonna leave and make get on a Sunday, Saturday chores done. Yes, back to memory. Yes, Shireen, remind me. That is the topic. That is the topic for my next live. Back to memory lane. That is the topic. Yeah. So we're gonna chat. We're gonna chat about everything what we used to do, where we used to go, everything. Yeah, back to memory lane. We are gonna do it soon, soon. I don't know why I don't like to come live. I like to do videos and edit them. But yeah, I'm gonna come with that one day, back to memory lane, in one of the live videos. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Chicken food soup. Me not wrong, yeah. Wait on it. I don't wrong one that. Wait on it. Guys, please like, tell another friend about my channel. So guys, remember, it's two channel I have, two channel. I have Aunt's Happy Place and Aunt's Kitchen and More. So when you see me post those videos out, please like, share, and subscribe to my latest. See you later on another live. Bye.